best fertilizer for Monstera plants. Have you ever wondered what fertilizer is best for your Monstera? Many plant owners want bigger leaves, faster growth, and a healthier looking plant, so they start searching for the perfect fertilizer. However, choosing the right fertilizer is not just about finding the strongest product. Monstera needs balanced nutrition to support healthy roots, strong stems, and beautiful new leaves. Using the wrong fertilizer or applying too much can cause problems such as root stress, leaf damage, and slow growth. So what is the best fertilizer for Monstera plants? In this video, we'll explain what nutrients Monstera needs, the different types of fertilizer you can use, and how to choose the right option for healthy growth. Number 1. Why does Monstera need fertilizer? Like all plants, Monstera needs nutrients to grow. While soil provides some nutrients, they can become limited over time, especially when a plant has been growing in the same pot for a long period. Fertilizer helps provide important nutrients that support new leaf growth, strong stems, healthy roots, overall plant development. A well-fed Monstera is more likely to produce larger, healthier leaves. However, fertilizer works best when the plant already has good light, proper watering, healthy soil. Fertilizer cannot fix problems caused by poor growing conditions. Number 2. What nutrients does Monstera need? Most fertilizers contain 3 main nutrients. Nitrogen, N. Nitrogen supports green leaves and leafy growth. It is especially important for Monstera because this plant is grown mainly for its beautiful foliage. Phosphorus, P. Phosphorus helps support healthy roots and overall plant development. Potassium, K. Potassium helps improve plant strength and supports healthy growth. A balanced fertilizer provides all 3 nutrients in a suitable amount. Number 3. What NPK ratio is best for Monstera? Many Monstera growers choose a balanced fertilizer with similar numbers, such as 10-10-10, 20-20-20. These numbers represent the ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. A balanced fertilizer can provide general nutrition for healthy Monstera growth. Some growers prefer fertilizers with slightly higher nitrogen because Monstera is a foliage plant. The most important thing is not using an extremely strong fertilizer. A balanced and consistent approach is usually better. Number 4. Liquid fertilizer for Monstera. Liquid fertilizer is one of the most popular choices for indoor Monstera plants. The benefits include easy to measure, quickly available to the roots, simple to adjust the amount. Liquid fertilizer is usually mixed with water and applied during normal watering. For beginners, liquid fertilizer is often a good option because you can control the amount more easily. Number 5. Slow-release fertilizer for Monstera. Slow-release fertilizer provides nutrients gradually over time. Benefits include less frequent application, consistent nutrient supply, convenient for busy plant owners. However, it is important to follow the instructions carefully. Adding too many fertilizer pellets can release too many nutrients and stress the plant. Number 6. Organic fertilizer options. Some Monstera growers prefer organic fertilizers. Examples include compost-based fertilizers, worm castings, natural plant nutrients. Organic options can improve soil quality and provide gentle nutrition. However, they may release nutrients more slowly compared to synthetic fertilizers. The best choice depends on your growing style and preferences. 7. How to choose the best fertilizer for your Monstera. When choosing fertilizer, consider your plant's growth stage. Young Monstera plants need gentle nutrition while they are developing. Larger plants with active growth may benefit from regular feeding. Your growing conditions. A Monstera growing in bright indirect light may use nutrients faster than one growing in low light. Your soil quality. Healthy soil already provides some nutrients. Fertilizers should support the soil, not replace proper soil care. Number 8. Signs your Monstera may need fertilizer. A Monstera that needs nutrients may show signs such as slow growth, small new leaves, pale green leaves, weak stems, lack of new growth during the growing season. However, these signs can also come from other problems like poor light, root issues, incorrect watering. Always check the overall care conditions before adding fertilizer. Number 9. Common fertilizer mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes. Using too much fertilizer. More fertilizer does not mean faster growth. Excess nutrients can damage roots and cause leaf problems. Fertilizing dry soil. Applying fertilizer to very dry soil can stress the roots. Water the plant normally before feeding if needed. Fertilizing during stress. Avoid fertilizing a Monstera that is recently repotted, sick, damaged, recovering from problems. Let the plant stabilize first. Ignoring light and water fertilizer cannot replace proper sunlight and watering. Number 10. How to get the best results from fertilizer. For healthy Monstera growth, use fertilizer during the active growing season. Follow the recommended amount. Apply consistently instead of using too much at once. Combine fertilizer with good soil, light, and watering. A healthy Monstera grows because all conditions work together. Conclusion. The best fertilizer for Monstera plants is one that provides balanced nutrition without overwhelming the roots. Good choices include balanced NPK fertilizers, liquid fertilizers, slow-release fertilizers, organic options. Remember, fertilizer is only one part of Monstera care. Healthy roots, proper light, and correct watering are the foundation of strong growth. With the right fertilizer and consistent care, your Monstera can develop healthier stems, larger leaves, and beautiful growth over time. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Monstera Fertilizer and Growth and Monstera Plant Care Guide playlists for more easy guides on growing healthy indoor plants. See you in the next video. Happy growing!